Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the simple ways to modify design plain jackets. Let's show. This is the actually plain jackets. See properly. So I will show you some techniques how to make beautiful modified jackets. Okay, now this is the jackets. This is the sand rocks. Everybody know. This is the other items that we're using cutter, and this is the one everybody knows, the sandpaper. Okay, this is the three items we are using for the modify. Okay, I am using for some just like insert some cartoon, because something is go wrong. We have a shape. Okay. Like that inside. Yes, this is the sand box, also cotton buds all the way. Yeah, same things I'm doing for pockets line also. Now backside design. Let's see how it come out. Guys, I put the inside because of the safety for the inside. Now with the cutters. After that, get some sandpaper. Just try to rub. And finish. Now I go to second level, exactly level of the left pockets. I making some bleaching, it's like that, it's bright. Guys, cutting and designs all of finish. Okay guys, I'm going to start the washing with the cool water. Let's try it. Now washing and dry already finished. Let's watch. Hi guys, this is the final result of the jackets. Slightly actually this is the stripe level. I think it's need for everybody. Hope everybody enjoy my video. See you next time. Bye.